Hi guys! So in today's video, samahan niyo akong mag-unbox ng parcel na ito. I know what's inside, but I'm just so excited to unbox it. This is a gift from my husband. Yung parcel na ito, although ako yung pumili, pero siya yung nagpapili. My husband is the kind of person na bibilhan ka niya kung gusto niya. But in this case, kaya medyo excited ako kasi gusto ko yung product. I love the color, everything. Walang nag-interfere. Yung sabi lang ng husband ko, sige, bilhin mo. Yun, usually. Pag ayaw na ni husband na bilhin, binibili ko. Pero naman ako, this is the reason why i-video ko talaga yung pag-unbox nito. Kasi this is the first package or the first gunting ko. So yes, nahanap ko na yung gunting ko. Samahan niyo na akong mag-unbox. What's inside this parcel? Here it is. May print bag. Nakabili na ako ng ganitong bag, but in different color. Kasi ako kasing tao, gusto ko yung mga neutral colors. So, meron akong ganyan, yung print bag. This one, brown. Kasi kahit anong damit, pwede mo siyang gamitin. So, this is the Neoprene Luca bag. It's not the usual color na pinipick ko pag sa bag. See, a while ago, I have the brown one kasi very neutral siya. Pwede nyo siyang i-match sa kahit anong outfit mo. But this one, ito siguro yung kulay na hindi ko alam if meron akong mga damit na pwedeng mag-match sa bag nito. But the Luca bag is really amazing. I'm not a fan of small bags. This bag, this Neoprene Luca bag, ang dami mong mailalagay. Let's open the bag. Yes! It's in the shade violet. And pwede naman siya sa yellow damit. Regular price is around 1,300. As you can see, the strap. May dalawa siyang compartment. Ang mesh na compartments. Pwede nyo lang ilagay yung cards and yung cash nyo. You don't have to bring your wallet with you. And then, let me show you. So usually, pag ako aalis, got my tissue paper, small tissue paper, my powder, yung baby powder. Okay, I have my cards, alcohol, supply, my lip tint, sunscreen, blotting powder, pure mint, mint ko lang naman, and eye drops, wet wipes, power bank, and your keys and your phone. So this is all what's inside the phone, yung ating tissue, the blotting powder, alcohol, comfort sunscreen, lip tint, yung supply, yung key, baka sabi ito hindi pinasok, and then the power bank and the powder. Let's close it. So that's it for tonight. Bye!